Yeah, good morning. Anywhere you are watching me. So my name is Asis Wasi. So I am a professional Gohighlevel specialist with over 4 years experience working with numerous clients. So I just want to show you how you can create your snapshots and how you can use the snapshot inside the CRM or another CRM. Maybe you want to sell the snapshot to another person. Now, when you come to your agency, this is the agency dashboard. So you see where they said account snapshot. When you click the account snapshot, you can create the snapshot from here. Which snapshot you want to create, you will name it that this is the snapshot you want to create. You will pick this account that you want to create the snapshot. Firstly, what is snapshot? Snapshot is the pre-design or duplicate every activities that is going on inside the CRM, the sub account, copy it to somewhere and use it in another account or in another CRM by import the link. Now, the only thing that is not going to copy it is your contacts. It's not going to copy it. Your staff or user is not going to copy it. There are some things that you will see when I'm going on. So when you click here, you name your snapshot, the name, then click here, which is the sub account you want to duplicate, you want to copy it. So this is the sub account we work on. Then create next. Now this is all the things that we copied inside this snapshot. You see, this is everything that is going to copied inside this snapshot. If you are running the ADS ad campaign, if you are having campaign, it's going to copy it. If you have the blogs inside the CRM, it's going to copy it. If you have calendar, which is we have two calendar. If you have campaign, if you have conversation, so the AI conversation AI. So custom feed, custom value, then the dashboard is that's normal, dashboard is normal. Then document or contacts, contracts. So if you are signing, if you have documents inside your CRM or some contract that you save, so the email template, the folder, the forms, the funnel, trigger, um, membership offer, membership products if you update it, pipeline, review setting, section templates, which is template for section that you can save, tags, social plan, survey group, email marketing, email and test template, trigger and workflow. So these are the things that's going to share, that's going to duplicate, that's going to copy from the sub account to be copied to uh, to a link that you want to do it now. So inside this link, you can import it to every sub account or import it to another CRM that you want. Now let's go create it. So it's going to become here. You will see the snapshot here. So when you create it, okay, this is the snapshot. This is the snapshot. So after you create it like this, let's wait for it to be load. So if we want to share the snapshot, you can come here and copy this snapshot like this and share it. But before you share it, make sure make sure that you enable IP protection so that you will not get banned. Sorry, so that you will not get banned, and make sure that you get permanent link. So get permanent link like this, then click here. After you click here, so you can have access to the link, so you can use it in any place you want to use it. But if it is inside the CRM, now if it is inside the CRM, you want to use it for another sub account. So go to sub account A. Let us assume that you want to use it for this sub account. Go to manage client button A. Sorry, go to manage client button here. Maybe, yeah, this manage client button. At the top, you will see action. At, at the top, you will see action. Click on it. You will see load snapshot. Click on it. Pick the snapshots that you have already created, which is this one. Then proceed. Then after you proceed, you can, if you don't want them to have access to some snapshot, you can skip it or you can select all. So after then proceed, it will load the snapshot. It will load that everything to the to the account. Then the person can have everything that is going on inside this sub account, to this sub account. That's how you can create your snapshot to use for another purpose. But if it is just a link, you want to use it for another thing. So after you copy that link, click here, then send. So it will bring something like this to you. Let's wait a little bit. Yes, it will bring something like this to you that you should import. So if you click the import, it will import to this CRM that you can be able to use it. So that's how you can use snapshots, and that's how you can create the snapshot. Thank you. So my name is still remain Asis Wasil Abiodun. Thanks so much.